I am going to be unboxing this Pixie Cup kit. It is the complete kit, and I cannot wait to see what's inside. So getting right to it, gotta open it up. It's so cute in the inside. It says life-changing period, and then here are the contents of the box. Their branding is incredible every single time. I just love it. And the first product that I'm looking at here, oops, sorry about that. Let me try to grab this out, is the Pixie Cup Lube, water-based menstrual cup lubricant. I'm really excited about this. I personally have never used a menstrual cup lube before. And it says on the back that the Pixie Cup lubricant makes menstrual cup insertion easy, smooth, and hassle-free. It is made from pure water-based ingredients, making it hypoallergenic and safe for your body and sensitive skin, which is super important, especially for our sensitive areas. And this is super useful if you're a first-time user and you're trying to get your insertion techniques down. This will make that a lot easier. So that's the Pixie Cup Lube. And next we have the Pixie Cup Wash, which is this guy. It says on the front that it's menstrual cup cleanser for sensitive skin. It's pH balanced, all natural ingredients, plant-based, biodegradable, preservative-free, mineral oil-free, and artificial color-free. Those are all very important, especially that it's plant-based and biodegradable. Those are really important to me. It's something that I can stand behind. So this is a wash that you will use to clean your menstrual cup in between uses. When you empty your cup and dump it into the toilet, you'll then wash it with this Pixie Cup Wash. So exciting. Also, it says that the ingredients are organically sourced, they're safe, and will protect the material on your silicone menstrual cup as well as leave your sensitive skin clean, soft, and well nourished. That is the Pixie Cup Wash, and it comes with quite a bit. Usually these things are like so small, but they are generous in their portions. Then we have the Pixie Cup Combo Pack. It includes a small and large cup, reusable menstrual cup, and then 5 Pixie wipes. So opening it up, I see the 2 different sizes of cups. We have the larger size and the smaller size with the stems at the bottom. Keep in mind, you can also trim your stem. If the stem is a little too long, on these lines right here, you can trim them down to make them shorter if you need. So this is great because for your lighter period days, you can use the small cup, and then for your heavier days, you can use the larger cup. And I love the colors. Also in the combo pack, there are 2 bags for storage and to carry them. And then, like it said, there are disposable wipes, and these are important if you're in a public restroom or maybe in somebody else's restroom and you might not have access to a running sink. You can just simply wipe your cup out with these wipes. So I would just stick these straight into my purse for times that I may end up needing them. That is a great little pack. I feel like that's a great product to start with. Then, last but not least, we have the Pixie Cup Cup. I'm really excited about this. I have seen some information on this, and this is not only a sterilizing cup. Sorry, bear with me while I grab it out. It's not only a sterilizing cup, meaning you can boil some water on the stove, stick your Pixie Cup inside here, and then pour the boiling water in here, put the lid on it, leave it for a few minutes, and then that will sterilize your cup for you. So you don't have to leave your cup bobbing around in a pot of water on the stove. You can just use the pot to boil the water and then put it inside here. It's also silicone, super soft, and then as you can see, it collapses back down for easy storage. The other exciting thing about this, which is what I saw that made me really excited, is again, if you're in a public restroom, you can't simply take your cup out, dump it out, and then get out of the stall and go wash it in a public sink. That just doesn't really work. So what I saw that you can do with this amazing product is you can pop it open. When you very first get to the bathroom, obviously wash your hands, make sure they're super clean before removing your cup. Fill this with water, put the lid on it, bring it into the stall with you, Then when you take your cup out and then empty it, you can put your cup in here, your dirty cup, close it, shake it up in the clean water, take your Pixie cup out, and then discard the water in the toilet. So you rinsed your cup out, but you didn't have to leave the stall in the public restroom, and that is incredible, because I've had some times where I've been stuck in the stall and I haven't had my wipes, and it's a situation that nobody really wants to be in. So that's why I'm super excited about the Pixie Cup, and I know this is going to be an essential. I'm just going to honestly leave this in my purse at all times so I don't get stuck in that scenario again. So amazing. And then this little square that the cup was sitting in, it says surprise, there's more, open me. So let's try to get this guy open. Sorry, I'm like struggling to open things today. Okay, got it. Wow, okay, cool. There's a bunch of hidden wipes in here. Again, for when you're on the go, stick them in your purse. There's also these cute little Pixie Cup say goodbye to tampons period little stickers in here. Super cute. Okay, yeah, that comes with like a lot of wipes. I don't know if you can see, but there's like quite a few. Wow. Yeah, like I don't even know how many that is, but it's enough to last quite a while. These, super useful. Menstrual cup wipes to wipe your cup out if you don't have the Pixie cup and you're in a stall, or, you know, just there's many uses, I'm sure, for these wipes. So that is amazing. A nice little surprise inside your kit. And it looks like that is it for the Pixie Cup kit, complete kit. Honestly, if you're just starting out with menstrual cups, this is the way to go. You have all the things that you need for pretty much every scenario, and I for one could not be more excited to try all of these products.